Okay, here's my 2x72 belt grinder I just finished. I got to move, not 100% done, but pretty close. It's running. I don't have a work table made yet for it, but it's tracking good. It's running good. It is loud. I'm running it through this Chinese VFD. I have a little holder on the side for belts. And here I'll show you. I have a piece of, looks like, I think 1/4 inch. I'm gonna just turn it on. It's really loud, but I want to show you. Turn on and watch. Here's how it looks right now. Then we're gonna round the corner. All right. That's what we got in just that short time. Pretty crazy. So I need a work table, and then I'm good to go. I put a switch down here. There's forward, reverse, and I did not put a. I could control the speed with that VFD, but I'm not sure if I'm going to need to or not. So this is my tracking adjustment up here. I'll show you. Right now I have to make a new bolt, but I use this carriage bolt with a 1/4 inch wrench. So I'll turn it on and I'll show you how the tracking adjusts.